Hello, kids! Welcome to our class. I am Teacher Romeline. Today, you're expected to identify words that describe persons, place, things, animals, events, ideas, and emotions. These are what we call describing words or adjectives. Before we'll proceed to the new lesson, let us first review the previous lesson. Identify the noun in the sentence. Number 1. The dog barks loudly. The answer is dog. Number 2. Carla studies every day. The noun in the sentence is Carla. Number 3. Our teacher teaches us well. The noun in the sentence is teacher. Number 4. The ball is red. The noun in the sentence is ball. Number 5. The baby cries. The noun in the sentence is baby. Very good. I have here a picture. What do you see on the picture? Very good. Do you have a tomato plant at home? How did you take care of your plant? Is it important to plant vegetables or trees? Why? What will you do to the people who are affected of flood or any disaster? What if there is a flood or heavy rain and you cannot go to school? What will you do? What will you do so that there will be no more flood? Today, we will read a story entitled The Tomato Plant. But before, let us unlock first the difficult word that can be found in the story. Absorb. The roots absorb water from the soil. What do you mean by the word absorb? The word absorb means to take in or soak up. Okay, the tomato plant. One day, Carla planted a tomato plant in her garden. She has 5 plots. She planted 20 tomato plants in each plot. She waters it every day. It grows in the rich brown soil. Its roots spread under the ground, absorbing water from the soil. The green stem holds the whole plant upright. The green leaves catch the sunlight to make food of the plant. Small yellow flowers bloom first and later they change into round red tomatoes. Every part of the tomato plant works together to help it grow and give us food. What is the title of the story? Who planted a tomato plant? How many plots does she has in her garden? How many tomato plants did she plant in each plot? How many tomato plants did she have in all? What part of the plant that absorbs water from the soil? What part of the plant that holds the plant upright? What is the function of the leaves? What part of the plant that turns into fruit? If you were Carla, would you also do the same? Why? Let us take a look at the story again. What is the quality and the color of the soil where the tomato plant planted? Very good, rich and brown. What is the color of the stem? Very good, green. What is the color of the leaves? Very good. Green. What is the size and the color of the flowers? Very good. Small and yellow. What is the shape and the color of the fruit? Very good. Round and red. The words rich, brown, green, small, yellow, round, and red are what are called adjectives or describing words. So this morning we will talk about adjectives or describing words. What is an adjective? Adjective describes a noun. It tells about number, color, shape, size, texture, quality, or condition. For example, this ball is round. The word round describes the shape of the ball. It tells something about the ball. Number two, I have three pens. The word three describes the number of pens. Number three, the cotton is soft. Soft tells the texture of the cotton. Number four, my pen is blue. Blue tells the color of the pen. Use the following adjectives in a sentence. Number one, beautiful. Number two, tan. Number three, blue. Number four, big. Number five, kind. Let us have a game. Prepare your tag words and write your answer. Identify the describing word in the sentence. Write your answer on your show me board. Number one, the lady wears red shoes. The correct answer is red. Number two, she has three pens. The correct answer is three. Number three, my pencil is yellow. The correct answer is yellow. Number four, this book is orange. The correct answer is orange. Number five, the ball is small. The correct answer is small. Wow, great job. For the next activity, underline the word that describe. Number one, ball, round, sun, plant. The word that describes is round. Very good. Round tells about a shape. Number two, yellow, car, turtle, and bag. What is the word that describes? Very good. Yellow. It tells about color. Number three, dog, book, seven, dress. The correct answer is seven. It tells about number. Number four, Cebu, market, red, table. The correct answer is red. It tells about color. Number five, hospital, soft, jump, swim. The correct answer is soft. It tells about texture. What is an adjective? Adjective describes a noun. It tells about number, color, shape, size, texture, quality, or condition. Prepare a paper and a pen. Identify the describing word in the sentence. For your assignment, those who get 4 to 5, fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. Those who got 0 to 3 identify the describing word in the sentence. Thanks for watching.